Guys, welcome to my channel. Today, pumunta tayo dito sa Detail Lab Manila para subukan natin yung kanilang washing and detailing services. By word of mouth, nalaman ko yung services nila dito, so gusto kong ma-experience personally kung maganda nga ang kanilang service. Ang ipapagawa ko lang yung premium wash plus wax service para people will have an idea on how to do it. Based on my research, ang business na ito ay sinimula ng tatlong magkakaibigan na mahilig sa kotse. Nag-start sila during the pandemic. Nagsimula sila pa isa-isa lang hanggang sa dumami na kanilang mga customers. Very personal ang kanilang approach at palaging nandito ang may-ari para i-supervise yung kanilang mga workers. So, parang shifting yung tatlong magkakaibigan. So, halika, let's check kung paano nila ginagawa ang kanilang premium wash and wax service. Marami silang services na ino-offer dito, pero ang ipapagawa ko yung premium wash plus wax service. Kasama doon yung proper washing and then vacuuming of the interior, then applying treatment on the leather seats as well as on the engine, then applying yung high quality wax na Geon that is made in Korea. Ang unang process is yung pag-spray ng body para ma-remove yung mga dust and dirt na nag-accumulate dun sa body. And then, kasama na rin dyan yung pag-spray doon sa gulong at saka doon sa fenders para matanggal yung mga dumi. After cleaning the body, they start cleaning the mugs and the tires. Ang ginagamit nila dito is separate yung basahan, tapos meron silang ginagamit na long brush para masukit hanggang ilalim yung mga dumi. So they're using two bucket system to clean the mugs and tires para yung mga singit-singit is malinis. And then yung ilalim ng fender is nililinis din nila. So they make sure na lahat ng dumi is matanggal para malinis tingnan. Then ang sunod na nililinis yung step board. So they use a brush para matanggal yung mga dumi sa singit-singit. And then they repeat the process for all the tires. They use yung foaming machine na ini-spray dun sa body. Pero nagkataon naman na nasira yung kanilang machine, kaya manual contact wash ang ginawa. Ang normal process ay they use two bucket system para malinis palagi yung basahan na ginagamit po dun sa body. And then napansin ko yung pag-wipe niya is horizontal, hindi yung paikot. So after wiping the body using the shampoo, ang next step is i-rinse na siya ng water using yung kanilang water spray gun. Then nililinis din yung mga gilid-gilid, yung front emblem, yung fascia, especially itong honeycomb area dito sa may plaka. Mahirap kasing linisin yan eh. So they use a brush para matanggal yung mga dumi. So ganyan sila kadetalye kung maglinis. And then binabrush din yung area ng side mirror, pati itong sa may salamin kasi dyan naiipon yung mga dumi. And then pati yung mga door handles. And then kasama rin nililinis yung diesel tank cover, yung loob niya para matanggal yung dumi. So after rinsing with water, next step is kailangang i-dry yung body. And they use yung big rag para madaling ma-dry. So isang direction lang, hinihila nila yung malaking drying towel para ma-dry yung body na mas mabilis. After drying the body, syempre may mga natitira pa yan ng mga tubig din sa pagitan ng mga door handles, dyan sa side mirror, etc. So ang next step is ginagamitan nila ng blower para ma-expel yung mga extra na water. And then bina-vacuum din yung interior, yung mga ilalim, pati yung upuan. So they repeat the process doon naman sa mga rear seat saka doon sa may compartment area. Chinek din pala ni Jacob, yung may-ari ng shop, ang kapal ng pintura ko kasi yung pintura daw kasi numinipis yan as the car ages kasi nagwa-wax ka, nagwa-wipe ka, nagki-clean ka, nagpapa-detail ka. So usually yung clear coat daw numinipis.
133, 130, 114. No way.
So useful din itong gadget na to para alam mo kung gaano pa kakapal yung pintura mo. Ginagamit din ito sa mga nagba-buy and sell ng kotse. So alam nila kung kung napinturahan na yung kotse o original pa yung paint. Okay, balik tayo sa cleaning. So dito napansin ko pulido yung paglilinis nila, even yung talagang mga in between tinutuyo nilang mabuti. So after drying and cleaning the car, it's now ready for the application of the wax. So ilipat natin dito sa loob. Dito sa loob ay air condition, so wala siyang alikabok. So magandang mag-apply ng wax dito. So after washing and dry na, so ready na for application ng wax. Pero bago i-apply yung wax, merong silang ginagamit na Geon Prep. Kasi kailangan mong i-prepare yung surface bago i-apply yung wax. So, kailangan gawin yan kasi pag hindi maganda yung preparation, nagiging dull din yung paint kahit applyan mo ng wax. So, kailangan i-prepare mo talaga yung kanyang surface. Yan, ina-applyan na niyan yung product na Geon Prep, yung buong body, bago i-apply yung wax. Ito pala yung ginagamit nila na wax. Ito yung Geon from Korea. So, mataas daw ang hydrophobic properties nito. Kaya, pag umulan, makikita mo yung kanyang hydrophobic na properties. So, okay. Ready na silang mag-apply ng Geon wax. Yung Geon wax nga pala is para siyang paste. So, ang pag-apply nila is yung parang isang direction lang para maiwasan yung swirl marks, no? Pero pwede rin naman yun kung ibang direction, kung ano yung gusto mo. Ang lang dito, ang tip lang niya is kailangan hindi mo patuyuin yung wax. Habang medyo basa-basa pa ng konti, punasan mo na kaagad. Kasi pag natuyo, masyado siyang mahirap na punasan. So, kailangan merong kasunod na magpapolish ng wax. Yung initial observation ko, maganda yung wax. Very deep yung kanyang shine. Ito naman yung ina-apply niya sa interior na parang leather conditioner. Ang tawag sa kanya is leather coat. Ang kagandahan nito, hindi siya makintab. So parang napipreserve mo din yung original look ng iyong leather seats. Then ina-applyan nila ng leather coat yung leather seat, and then wina-wipe out nung malinis na cloth. So, bale, ina-absorb nung leather yung clear coat na yan. Yung leather coat na yan is product din ng Geon. So, tinesting muna namin yung isang portion at napansin ko na ina-absorb ng leather itong leather coat na to. So, hindi siya makintab tingnan. So, parang balik lang sa original condition yung mga leather trimmings na yan. You can see here after application, natutuyo siya. So, parang ina-absorb ng leather. So, parang original condition siya. Kasi, yung ayoko nung makintab, no? So, makita mo, this one is din siya. Naging matte din siya. So, parang ina-absorb niya yung yung ina-absorb ng leather, na-absorb ng leather yung chemical, and then parang nagiging natural din yung kanyang look. So, ganyan ang itsura ng interior after application ng leather coat.
We coat this as well. We clean it. Even the bolts here. Lahat yan. We really pay attention to those small details to ensure the quality. So, pag nag-coating kami, even yung mga singit-singit na ganito, dinadaan.
So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung application ng Geon wax. So, tandem sila. Yung isa nag-a-apply ng wax, yung isa naman nagwa-wipe. Ginagamitan din nila ng ilaw para makita kung lahat ng portion ng body is na-applyan ng wax ng tama. Yan, maganda na siya. Ang sabi ni Jacob, maganda ang beading properties nito. As compared dun sa ginagamit ko na wax, napansin ko, mas maganda yung shine nito. Mas deeper yung color. And then tanggal yung mga swirl marks. And this is now the finished product. Ang ganda ng shine niya. It's a good quality wax. It's made in Korea. Happy ako sa wax niya. Para siyang naka-ceramic coating. And then meron pa silang ina-apply na Geon Preserve. Ito yung para sa cladding. So, ang tawag dito is preserve.
Geon Preserve.
And this is used one sa ano?
Sa mga claddings, pwede siya.
Sa claddings, no?
So, this one, si Geon ang made.
So, Geon din to. So, this is also made in Korea.
Korea
no?
also.
Yan, ini-sprayan na niya ng Geon Preserve para mas makintab at mas malinis yung mga claddings. So, pulido yung linis ng ilalim. And then, nag-a-apply nung trim coat din para talagang malinis. So, ganda niya. Ang next procedure naman is pag-apply ng tire block. Pero bago mag-apply ng tire block, nililinis muna yung white lettering para pumuti bago applyan ng tire block. Gumagamit din sila ng product na APC para matanggal yung dumi. Then, once na tuyo na at malinis na yung tire, pwede nang applyan ng ceramic na tire block. Yan, ito yung ceramic na, na tire block. Ano ang advantage?
This one, as per Geon, it's ceramic tire shine. So, it's supposed to last you 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Maglalast siya ng 2 weeks, ano?
2 to 3 weeks.
Oo. Tapos kung makapit siya, hindi siya
tumatalsik.
Hindi siya tumatalsik.
Rule lang dyan is, you really have to thoroughly clean the tire before applying. Para talagang kumapit siya, tsaka ma-absorb ng tire yung chemical.
Okay. Yan, nag-apply na sila ng ceramic na tire block. Okay, let's ask kung ano pa yung mga products nila.
So, this one naman, premium wash plus wet coat.
Ano naman ang gamit ng wet coat?
So, this one, mas hydrophobic siya. So, it's a booster for your car.
Okay.
So, after washing the car, before wiping it down, we spray this to the car, to the whole car.
Okay.
And then, wipe pagkatapos. So, this one will help boost yung hydrophobic system ng cars. So, usually, sa premium wash or with wet coat, ito ang ginagawa namin ng application.
Parang wet look.
Wet look, tsaka kung umulan, hydrophobic.
Okay.
So, nagbo-boost siya ng hydrophobic system. So,
Ganun katagal naman tumatagal? After mga 2
usually,
weeks?
this will take 2 to 3 weeks. Pero sometimes, kung ano naman, properly maintained, a month.
Okay. Gamit, no?
These are the used pads,
Used pads,
na
okay.
we used sa car
Okay.
that we would no longer use naman na. Unless kung per personal na lang namin.
So, yung dark portion na yan, what does it tell you?
Okay, so like I said, yung sa skin natin, yung parang libag-libag ng kotse na we cut and remove.
So, diyan pumupunta?
Oo, dito siya.
Okay.
So, ito yung mga grime,
Okay.
yung mga swirls. So, we have to cut and then dito sa pad siya.
Okay.
After cutting, after the 3-step, we polish and then we prep it for ceramic coating.
Okay.
So,
yan, malapit na tayong matapos. Yung ceramic tire block na lang and then okay na. And then dito sa honeycomb grill, they use yung trim coat. Then dito naman sa engine, Geon Prep din yung ina-apply, tapos ina-apply ng trim coat after. So napansin ko, they have different Geon products for different uses. So maraming products pala itong Geon, and I think Detail Lab Manila is one of the authorized distributors of the product in Metro Manila.
So, if mag-release kami, we make sure to give them a maintenance guide on the cars.
Okay.
So, in this guidebook, you would see how you properly wash the car, dry the car, how you protect it. Kunwari, meron
Okay.
car, may bird poop, how do you wash it properly. So
Okay.
this one we give out usually to coated cars.
Okay.
Kasi may proper wash yan eh. On how you wash it sa first wash mo,
Okay.
how to yung do's and don'ts ng car. So it's here. And then this one is to remind you not to wash the car muna. For this one naman sir, I'll hang it lang to you. For ano lang na
Ito
bagong hugas na.
yung reminder na na
you cannot wash your car first.
Okay.
And then this one, this is our warranty.
Okay.
So we check here kung ano yung coating na applied sa car mo and also like a proof na Geo products ang ginamit namin sa car. So usually when we release, we write the date and then what products were used in your car. And then yun, doon na tumatakbo yung promotion namin. With whichever package na in-avail ni client. And then this one is our sticker and sticker ni Geo.
Yes, okay.
Of seal, we use Geo products on your car.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how we turn over our product, our clients' cars.
These are parang This is a very nice booklet, no? It tells you how to maintain yung car, ano yung gagawin mo, how to clean it, how to preserve it, and what are the products that you will have to use.
Usually for our platinum package, we use moss or pure as our base coat.
Okay.
And then top coat namin is the Synchro. So yun ang usual na ginagamit namin. Now for ano lang na, yung 1 year layer of coating namin, we use the Evo 1, which is yung nasa wall.
Okay.
So, yun yung 1 layer of coat. So usually, kung nag-paint correction tayo, ayaw na ni client na gumastos for full ceramic coating, we top up pa rin ng Evo. Parang kahit pa paano may ceramic coating protection si client. So usually 2 layers ang nilalagay natin.
Okay. Ito nga pala yung proper wash menu nila. Meron silang proper wash and then premium wash plus wet coat and then yung premium wash plus wax. Ito naman yung kanilang detailing ng motorcycle. Then they have yung interior detailing with various add-ons. Aside from that, meron din silang paint correction and also yung ceramic coating. And then meron din silang premium na detailing services. At ang pinakamahal yung kanilang platinum. So mamili na kayo kung ano yung service na gusto nyo. So yan, tapos na yung premium wash plus wax na procedure na inavail ko. That is worth 2,000 pesos. So shout out nga pala kay Jacob Yu, yung may-ari nitong Detail Lab Manila. So nandiyan naman yung telephone number niya. So pwede nyo siyang tawagan para makakuha kayo ng appointment. In terms of service at saka yung ginamit niya na wax, I would say na maganda yung kanilang service. So hindi nila minamadali, tapos detalye yung paggawa, and then closely supervised by the owner. Medyo pricey yung service nila, but you really have to pay a premium if you want a good service. Meron din silang Facebook page at ito yung address nila sa Quezon City. Malapit lang ito doon sa may Timog area. Then we went home to check closer yung results. Yan, malinis na yung aking grill. Nahirap akong maglinis dati. Tapos yung under chassis ko, malinis na din. Then yung tires, naka-tire block na hindi tumatalsik. So yan ang itsura nung body nung ma-apply yun nung Geon Wax. Makita ninyo na medyo deep yung color niya, no? Very shiny. Mas maganda pa siya dun sa dati kong ginagamit na wax. Ni-research ko yung Geon Wax at maganda yung review sa kanya. Kita nyo naman yung effect sa body. Para siyang naka-ceramic coat. ito naman ang itsura ng interior after the application of leather coat. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you again in my next vlog. Bye!